Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Is your fingerprint sensor not working or not recognizing your finger? Let's fix it in a few simple steps. First, start by gently cleaning the fingerprint sensor and your finger with a soft cloth. Dust or oil can block the sensor from reading properly. Second step, restart your phone. Press and hold on to the power button and tap restart. This clears minor system glitches that might be affecting the fingerprint service. Third step, re-register your fingerprint. For that, go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called security and privacy. Go to lock screen. Let me enter my passcode. Go to fingerprints. Currently, I have two fingerprints. Tap remove to delete the old ones and add your fingerprint again. Make sure to scan from different angles for better accuracy. And sometimes fingerprint issues come from outdated software. For that, again go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called system or software update and install any available updates. If it still does not work, restart your phone in safe mode. For that, press and hold on to the power button. Now tap and hold on to the power off button and tap safe mode. This will help you check if a third-party app is causing the issue. If nothing helps, visit your nearest service center. The sensor might need cleaning or replacement. And that's it. Try these steps and your fingerprint sensor should work again. Like and subscribe for more quick Android fixes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.